Welcome back to episode 6 of DataViz Bitesize, this series of really short bite-sized videos that share your data visualization thought for the day. What's something that you can muse on as a data visualization principle and hopefully apply in your practice of producing charts, communicating data day in, day out. In each of them, as you've seen elsewhere in the series, I'll share a design principle, something you should be bearing in mind, and I'm basing those on a rather fun set of DataViz Play Your Cards Right, produced by someone called John Schwabish, who delivers the PolicyViz blog, podcast, and shop indeed. And in each episode, I will share one of his cards, talk you through what that design principle is, and then share a positive example of applying that. And that'll be it. We'll be gone with your DataViz thought for the day. So here in episode 6, what's today's card? Well, today's card is this one. Start from nothing. Bar charts are great for comparisons. To judge their endpoints, the bar should begin at a zero baseline. A principle that's often broken. You quite often see people want to start partway up purely to show the difference, a bit like you see highlighted in black there in the card. But that can be distorting and particularly underplay those bars that are the lowest ones that can be made to appear almost negligible. So what's a positive example of that? Here's one that sprung to mind. It's an example out of the FT, and it was comparing electric cars. You've got in light blue there plug-in hybrids, the dark blue are pure electric cars. And you can imagine a temptation for a number of people presenting these bar charts to chop off almost, I don't know, 13 or 12, even 14 almost, and leave Chevrolet Volt or Mitsubishi Outlander looking almost negligible and purely focus on the difference in the rest of them. But by honestly showing the data axis all the way down to zero, we can see that even though there are a lot more sales here of the Toyota Prius and the Nissan Leaf, almost half of the same level as those is achieved by Chevrolet and Mitsubishi. So it's a more honest representation of the data, easier for people to compare the length or the height if you're using columns rather than bars in an accurate way. So another little pitfall to avoid, hopefully a principle you can apply in your data visualization today. I hope that's helpful and see you next in episode 7.